Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Vechain. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what really is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of Vechain right now, currently sitting at 1.86 cents. We're up about 0.7% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $1.35 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $49 million. So we have decreased the overall 24-hour trading volume over the past few days. But, overall, the things are looking really, really great. The price is holding awesome. So, let's waste no more time and get right into it. So, if we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, we've pretty much been holding around this range over the past 2 days now, which is a great sign. And of course, right now, literally as we are recording the video, Bitcoin is also moving towards the upside and potentially could be hitting another new yearly high. So, things are looking mega good. And obviously the entire market is reacting to this Bitcoin move that's happening right now. So what is next for Vechain? That is a question that everyone has on their mind. So of course, right now, let me bring out the hourly time frame for everyone. So, we can kind of take a look at what is really happening with the price of Vechain. So let's look at it. Let me give it a quick refresh live and let's see the charts load up. This is still the daily time frame. We need the hourly time frame. Kind of taking a long time to load. I'm not really used to that, but there we go, guys. Look at that. All right, so if we're looking at the price of Vechain, look at this beautiful, move, of course, after, the Coinbase assets, that came out. That announcement was made literally right here. Let me show that to you guys. Literally right here, this is where the announcement was made. And look at that beautiful move for Vechain right after that. You saw Vechain go up about 22% in a single day. Of course, we have seen a little bit of a minor retracement after that because Bitcoin also saw a minor retracement happen. But what is next? That is the question that is on everyone's mind right now. So looking at the price of Vechain right now, we are making a nice reversal happening, of course, following the Bitcoin momentum. As I've mentioned, Bitcoin is breaking out, which is causing Vechain to obviously react to that as well. So the question is, what is happening? Could we see Vechain finally break out of this massive level of resistance, which I spoke about? Literally, I've been speaking about this level of resistance since we have broken below it, which is literally since last May. The price of Vechain has not gone above this level. And what does that show us? You may be asking, what does that show us? That shows us the strength of this level of resistance because we've only been above here once, which was back on May 22nd. It was a quick wick towards the upside on August, 14th of last year. We almost broke out of that range, but after that, we never really managed to break out of that range. But what we're seeing happening right now is this. Let me draw this for you guys so you guys get a better perspective as to what really is happening. Where is there we go. It's glitching out for us. Let's go over here. Let me go back on the daily time frame because sometimes this trading view really does glitch. So there we are. All right, so let's draw this out for you guys so you guys get a better real picture as to what really is happening because you can't make this up. So look, when we were breaking towards the upside, as you guys can see this for yourself, look where we got stopped out. Look, we got stopped out at that level of resistance, and there's also that. And that used to be the level of support for the price of Vechain. And of course, as we are breaking out, we're seeing that play as a level of resistance, which is to be expected. And I really hope you guys get a better picture after I drew this out for you guys. So, you are able to understand where we currently are and where we could see the price of Vechain really heading. So now what's happening basically is, we're forming another green candle within the price. And of course, that is because Bitcoin is breaking out once again, and which is causing Vechain to go up with it, of course. And obviously, after that Coinbase announcement that, they could potentially be listing. And I think that listing is already in the books. It's just a matter of when, not a matter of if it's going to happen. I think it's just a matter of when at this point. And, I think that is going to cause new, interest building in, because people are going to say, what, Coinbase might list this, there's a potential of a massive pump. Usually what we do see is when Coinbase lists these kind of assets, they do see a massive explosive move, especially now. I think this timing could have not been any better for Vechain because, we are entering a bull market. We're going into the fall eventually, and we could potentially see an altcoin season. Historically speaking, we should see an altcoin season in the fall. And, we could see Vechain really making an explosive move. And at the earlier the year of 2024, next year, I'm expecting, a little bit of a cool off happening at the beginning of the year, leading up to the Bitcoin halving. We could see another spike up. So things are definitely starting to look great. And of course, people are now all of a sudden, this is crazy. If you are a follower on my channel, you guys know I'm one of the very few influencers that have supported Vechain, stuck around with Vechain, literally when no one wanted to even speak about that. And I know my OG, my real supporters know that. And now, right after that Coinbase, announcement, everyone is all of a sudden bullish on it. And you're going to see a lot of new influencers hop on and start talking about Vechain, which is really funny to me because, if you're not supporting the project at its downs, do you really deserve to be supporting it when it is, really picking up traction? But again, the more exposure, the better. So I'm just saying, it's funny how people turn around, and it's funny how some of the same people, I'm not sure if this is something that you guys are noticing as well, the Vechain family, that, there's some people that you knew yourself were not supporting Vechain, talking negative about Vechain. It's the same people now over the past 2 to 3 days that are turning mega bullish on Vechain, which is literally so funny to me. But anyways, if we're looking at this, like I said, we're breaking out towards the upside once again. If Bitcoin is able to go past $31,500 in the next few hours, I am expecting that Vechain is also going to break that 2 cents mark, and that 2 cents is a level of resistance. Once we break out of here, the main target that I'm looking at is, this 2.6 cents mark. Yes, you can make a statement that, we have resistance coming up at that 2.2 cents mark, but, if the volume is on, Vechain side, this is that main target. And also, I'm not sure if you guys are looking at this, look at this volume. This much volume we saw last back on November during the FTX collapse. And, other than that, we haven't really seen this much volume coming in for the price of Vechain. So things are looking great. I am really optimistic on Vechain, as you guys obviously know, and I think Vechain is going to shock a lot of people this bull cycle. And of course, it's going to start off after obviously we break this level of resistance. But again, this is just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell, but eventually more and more people are going to start really supporting it because, of course, that Coinbase announcement is really big, and this couldn't have been at a better time. And honestly, like I've said, Vechain is one of the few projects in the crypto space that actually has a working product, and not just a working product. Companies are using it. So we need to look at it from that angle. But things are looking great. Of course, the next few hours are very important. If we break out of this level of resistance, I am expecting a move towards the upside. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.